Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is the latest Apple product. The US version of the iPhone 14 uses eSIM only and has no physical SIM slot. In this video, I will show you how to perform the initial setup, eSIM transfer, and show you the new features. The package comes with the phone, a Lightning to USB-C cable, and a welcome package. Be aware that there is no charger included. Press and hold the side button to turn on the phone. Swipe up to open. Select language. Select the country or region. You may set up the phone with quick start or manual setup. I will show you the manual setup first. Set up Wi-Fi network. You may set up the Face ID later. You have to create a passcode. You may choose how to transfer apps and data. You can restore from iCloud backup, restore from Mac or PC via iTunes, transfer directly from another iPhone, or move data from Android. I will skip this for now. You may enter your Apple ID. I will skip it for now. You may set up iMessage and FaceTime. I will skip it for now. Set up location service. You may set up the cellular network. I will skip it for now and come back later. It shows the Emergency SOS Features. Now let me set up the eSIM. The easiest way is to transfer the eSIM directly from your old phone. Either physical SIM card or eSIM in your old phone would work. In your new phone, tap the cellular setting. Tap Setup Cellular. You may choose transfer from nearby iPhone or use QR code. The QR code is provided by your cellular carrier. You need to contact your carrier to get a QR code. Since I have an old iPhone, I will use the transfer from nearby iPhone option. A prompt will appear on the old iPhone. Tap Continue. Enter the one-time verification code. A a confirmation request will appear on the new iPhone. Make sure the phone number is correct. It alerts you that once the SIM transfer is done, the SIM in the old phone will stop working. In the old iPhone, double-click the side button to confirm transfer. Note that the cellular signal bar at the old phone is now gone and appears on the new phone. Make a phone call to confirm successful SIM transfer. Now I will reset the phone and show you how to do the quick start setup. Tap Settings, General. Transfer or reset iPhone. Tap Erase this phone. It shows what phone number is currently on the phone. You may choose Erase Data and eSIM, or you may choose only Erase Data and keep the eSIM. Once the erase is done, press and hold the side button to turn on the phone. Choose the language and country. This time, I will use the quick start. Bring the old phone closer. A prompt will appear to confirm setup. In the old iPhone, authenticate with a camera. Enter the passcode for the old iPhone. Set up a skip Face ID. Choose how to transfer your app data. Set up a skip iMessage and FaceTime. If the eSIM is not set up yet, it will prompt you to set up the eSIM. Set up or skip Siri. Complete software update. Wait for the phone to restart. Complete data transfer. Now your new phone is ready. Let's take a look at the new features of the iPhone 14 Pro. The most noticeable new feature is the dynamic island. The previous generation notch is now a pill-shaped cutout that houses the front-facing camera and sensor. iOS 16 uses software to make this cutout appears to be an integrated part of a multitask bar. For example, when you set up a timer, it will move up to the dynamic island. If you are listening to music or podcasts, it will move up to the dynamic island too.
Support for Serial comes from MailChimp.
From MailChimp.
Mail.
Long press the icon to get some basic
More than
control.
12 million businesses around the world.
Use a MailChimp.
To send emails, newsletters, and deliver high fives.
MailChimp.
Short tap the icon to get to the full page of the app. The second new feature is the new Retina XDR display. It has a peak brightness of 2000 nits, which is over twice as bright as the iPhone 13. It also has the always-on display feature. When you lock the screen, instead of completely going dark, the screen will turn dimmer and still display the basic information such as time and notifications. You may turn on or off the always on display function at the display and brightness setting. You may also customize the lock screen, such as adding widgets. Changing font. And changing color. There are two new emergency SOS features in the iPhone 14. The first is crash detection. If the iPhone detects a severe car crash, it will automatically try to call emergency service. The second is emergency satellite connection. If you have an emergency in an area that has no cellular signal, the phone allows you to connect to a satellite to call emergency service. This feature will be available later this year. Other important features include faster and more efficient A16 Bionic chip, upgraded 48 megapixel main camera with quad pixel sensor. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time.